Yeah, I have started recording, and let me share my screen. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, we got it.
So last class, what we did, we have completed our APAR configuration. Okay, till accounts
Yes.
payable and account receivable configuration we have done. So now, once the configuration is done, from IT consultant side, IT consultant they will do? They will do the testing, right? Suppose like the scenario which I had provided. If you guys can tell me the scenario, like in our case, which I had provided you guys. Dilip business is there, like Dilip
Yes.
business is there. Let's suppose, and Dilip business people have gone to IT company, okay, IBM. So now IT consultants are doing configuration, and in that context, if IT consultants have completed the configuration, so now APR configuration they have completed, so they will do the what next they will do? Please tell.
Now they will,
Hmm?
next step after configuration, they will check in the quality.
Yes, no. See, they will check in the quality. No, no problem. See, uh, actually there are three systems, right? Three systems are. Please tell me the systems. There are.
Sandbox,
Huh.
quality. I mean, in the first step only, it is a development system and the
Huh.
sandbox.
Yes.
Second, it is a quality, and third, it is a production.
Production. See, but in development there are two different system or clients. We will say in development there are two different client or systems. First
Golden
one is
system,
golden. Yes, golden system and sandbox system.
sand.
Golden system will in golden system what consultant will do, if you guys can remember. There are two systems for two different purposes. So in golden system,
Yes.
please remember.
Configuration only.
Only configuration. And in sandbox,
In the sandbox, I think they will move this.
TR. Yes, they will first move. Correct. They will first move this all
They
configuration TR to sandbox. After moving,
TR.
what will they do? After moving, yes,
After moving, it is testing.
Testing.
testing. Yes, testing. So
Testing and quality.
yes. So who will do testing in? No, no, no. In sandbox only they will do testing. IT consultant will
Acha.
do testing in sandbox only. Once the
Yes.
according to IT consultant, everything, every configuration is working fine. Every postings are working fine. I mean testing. How they will do testing? They will create master data and they will do the postings, right? Journal entry they will post.
Yes.
Once everything is working fine, they will move the TR from golden client of development system to quality system. And in quality
System.
system, who will do the testing? IT
Business
consultant will not do the
business
testing.
users.
Business users will do
Yes,
the
business
testing.
users.
Yes. So business user will do the testing, and IT consultant will get the confirmation from them over email
Okay.
or on paper, like these things are working fine. Please give me confirmation. That is called as UAT sign off. And that testing in quality system which business user perform, that testing is called as user acceptance testing. So once the user will do the
Yes.
testing, they will provide their confirmation called as UAT sign off, user acceptance
Sign.
testing sign off. Yes. After getting the sign off, IT consultant will move the TR from
To
golden
production.
client to production system,
Holding
and
the production system.
yes, and production system will be ready, and that will be handed
Yes.
over. This is the process. So
Yes.
now in our case, we have completed our APR configuration. Like suppose we are consultants, so we have done our configuration in golden client only. We will do the configuration, right, of development system. So now in which
Yes.
Yes.
system we will do the testing?
Sandbox.
Sandbox. So now sandbox system IT consultants will do the testing. So that's what we are also proceeding to do in the system. So we have completed our configuration from APAR side, accounts payable, account receivable side. So now we will do the testing in sandbox system. Okay. So now first,
Yes.
please see the screen. So first we need to create master data. Okay, because it is accounts payable. So we need to have the vendor master. so that the vendor master will, we will purchase something, the business will purchase something
So for
from the vendor.
testing, we have to create the vendor master.
Yes, for testing, yes. Because see, business user has to create. So for those scenarios, those requirements we have gathered, means the IT
Yeah.
consultants have gathered those requirements. So keeping those things in mind, same way IT consultants will create the vendor master in the system, and they will do the postings like invoice, anything purchasing, invoice posting, and then payment to the vendor.
Okay.
Okay, and and for this we have done the configuration also in the backend in the previous steps. So now
Yes.
we will create the vendor master data. Okay, and then we will do the postings. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, see, vendor master can be created in three ways. Means in interview, if they will ask, ki how you can create a vendor master. So we need to give answer in this way. A vendor master can be created in three ways. Okay. First, company code area wise. Second, purchasing area wise. Third is centrally. Centrally, if you guys remember, one more thing we have created earlier centrally. What was that? If you guys can remember, please. One master data
Centrally.
we have created as centrally in our GL topic.
I'm not sure, sir.
GL master data centrally. Remember, chart of account wise GL creation, company code wise GL
Uh,
creation, and centrally FS00. Remember,
yeah, yeah,
correct?
correct.
GL master data
Mm-hmm.
creation centrally means FS00 is the keyboard. So now same way here, if that's what I'm telling. If you guys will understand GL, so 50% other topics will be covered. The same number ranges, same few things are similar. So GL try to complete GL in a very good way. After that, what will happen going further? These things will be 50% will be clear only. Okay. So now see,
Okay.
centrally means centrally. I will tell no problem. First, see, vendor master can be created three ways: company code, company code area wise, purchasing area wise, and centrally. So first of all, see, company code area wise means what? So in company code area wise, if you want to create vendor master data, let's suppose first I want to create vendor master data as company code area wise only. Okay. So in this, what we need to provide, we will give vendor number, we will give company code, we need to give general data, we will give. In general data, what are the details we will give? Address, control data. Address details will means that vendor's address we will give, that vendor belongs to which address. Okay, suppose it's in Hyderabad, what is the location of the vendor? So all address we will fill in the address options. Okay. After that, in control data it is for GST, I will show in the system. And in the payment details also we will give. Contact details also we will provide. So below, under general data, these four details we will fill. This I will show in the system also. So just for I am just briefing you guys right now. So vendor number we will give, company code we will give, general data, in general data four details we will give. Okay. So in interview you guys can simply say and company code data. Company code data is very important from finance side. Why it is very important? See, account information, payment transaction, correspondence, and withholding tax, which is TDS. Okay, so this is from FI side, it is very important. Means company code area wise, if you want to maintain, create vendor master data, we need to remember four things: vendor number, company code, general data. In general data, address and these details will come. Address and contact details, you can say. No need to remember all things. Just address and contact details. In company code data, we need to remember account information, payment transaction, correspondence, and withholding tax. Let me show you in the system FK01. So FK01 is the creation, right? FK02 means, or FK03 means,
Sorry.
FK01,
FK?
FK01, let me show the screen. FK01 means means anything ending with 1, any T code means creation, right? 01. Any T code ending with 02, 2 means, and 3 means,
Editing.
2 means editing and 3 means.
Three means
View,
view.
display.
Display, yes. So suppose this one I'm showing you guys in the system. FK01 is the creation of vendor master data company code area wise. So if I want to edit, FK02 will be that. If I want to display, FK03. So let's suppose I'm going
Yeah.
to display FK03. Okay. So I will show you from my existing other, from my
Okay.
other company. Okay. Any vendor which I have created. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
See, vendor number, company code, general data, company code data. Now, if you guys will have answered what is there in the general data, right? So we need to tick all
Mm.
this first. Tick means select. We are selecting these all. Okay. Why it is tick is coming means we want to see which. If you want to see only payment transaction, then you only tick payment transaction. You will see only payment transaction. You want to see the accounting information, then you will see the accounting information. So that is for the selection purpose. These details. Okay. So now vendor number, company code. Okay, in my Excel sheet, see vendor number and company code. Now what
Yeah.
other? General data and company code data, enter. See, in general data, this is the address details. Okay, enter.
Yeah.
This is the GST number. Tax number 3 means GST number. See, address. Okay, the first
Company
one
code
was
is.
address. Yes, first one was address. Second one is control data for GST. In this it is for GST. Okay, control data. Okay, enter.
Yes, bro.
Third one is payment transaction. In this, we will provide the vendor bank account number. Suppose if you want to make payment in the vendor bank account number, okay, and this is the let's suppose our vendor is having bank account in SDFC, ICICI means operational bank account number. I am telling, not SAP bank. It is operational bank account number of vendor, not our bank account number. Okay, so in this vendor's bank account number we will provide, in which payment has to be done. Okay, operational bank account number. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, payment transaction. So you can see payment transaction are at two place, below general data and below company code data.
Company
In
code.
general
Yeah.
data we are giving the bank details of the vendor, operational bank details of the vendor. Okay, now enter fourth one. This is the contact person, means who will be the contacting person of the vendor from the vendor side. So this is under the general data. Now we are proceeding to company code data. In company code data, first thing is account information. Okay, enter. This is account information. See, I explained you guys this reconciliation concept, right? Subledger and main ledger in AP, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how we are linking the main ledger to this vendors and customer are sub ledgers, and how we are linking to the sub ledgers to the main ledger by the help of this GL account, which is main ledger. So in the vendor master data we are assigning this reconciliation. In the reconciliation account we are assigning this GL account. With this,
Yeah.
linking is happening, means whenever we will post to this vendor master in this sub ledger, balances will be updated to this main ledger also automatically. In general ledger we can see.
Mhm.
Okay, so how, let me show any posting. If I will show you guys, f fb03 is the display of vendor, is the display of document. Okay, so I will filter. What I will do, if suppose I want to see only invoices, so document type, you guys can remember what is the document type of vendor invoice?
RE.
No,
KR.
Yeah.
KR, yes,
Yeah.
yes, KR. So we are just filtering with vendor invoice. Okay, so KR, I will get only KR related document. Okay,
Correct. Yeah.
now see this one. Let me open this one. See, this is sub ledger only, right? This is vendor number.
Hmm.
Means posting is done. Posting has been done in this sub ledger only with the help of this vendor, right? But it will be updated
Correct.
where? to this recon account, correct?
Recon account. Yes.
How, where we have linked that recon account? Automatically it is not, nothing is happening automatically. There is no magic.
Correct.
There is a direct connection we have done, direct settings we have done in the backend. So where in this vendor master we are assigning this recon account here, right? Below the accounting information. So this we need to remember. Under company code data, in the accounting information, we are assigning reconciliation account. Okay, like that. So now let me show this general ledger view. Let me go. Now see, it is updated to recon account or not? See,
Yes.
in general ledger view, it is updated to recon account. And this recon account where we are assigning in the vendor master data, like that we need to answer
Company.
to the yes in vendor master data, in vendor master data,
Yes.
in vendor master, in company code data, in account information option, we are assigning this recon account. So in this much detail we need to give answer. Okay. So now, okay. So account information is done. So
Yes.
now let me go to see. Next one is
Means
payment
to go next
transaction.
page, next information, we have to click on enter.
We need to click on enter. It will automatically it will take us to next window, next option.
Oh,
Okay. So payment transaction. Okay. Payment transaction accounting. Here we need to give the payment terms, credit memo terms. Credit memos means return if we are returning anything to vendor. So what is our payment terms? It is due immediately, 30 days,
yes.
whichever payment terms
Yes.
we have configured, those only payment terms we need to take. 30 days, 90 days, 120 days. So what the payment option, payment terms we want to select? What is the credit memo payment terms we want to select? What is the payment method we want to select? C or T? C means check, T means bank transfer. So these all details here what we will do, we need to select or give. Okay, we need to
Okay.
click enter. Here it is dunning related, means dunning is dunning is related to customer, not vendor, but here they have given dunning is related to customer. Dunning means, what is the meaning of dunning? If suppose we have a business has, suppose Dilip business have given services to or sold something to its customer. Okay, and customer has is not paying on its on the right time. Suppose Dilip business has given means so 1 kg of biscuit to a particular customer, and customer had told in 1 week I will make the payment. Okay, and now customer is not making payment in the 1 week. Okay, and due date is over. So now what Dilip business will do, they will send the notice. From the company side they will send that, it is not legal notice. From the company side first they will send the notice. Okay, and that notice is called as in SAP dunning. Means dunning
Hmm.
is will be used, getting my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Dunning means we business has sold something to the customer, and due date is over. Now customer is not paying. So now company will send the notice from the company side. So 2 3 notices company will send. Still if customer will not respond, not make the payment, then business will take the legal action after that. This is the means, this is the way. So dunning is related with the customer. Okay, enter.
Okay.
And this is related to our vendor, means TDS. So withholding tax type, withholding tax, this when I will teach TDS topic, then I will explain this one. Means if you want to deduct the TDS, that time we need to have this, we need to first configure, then we will get these options and we will assign here. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is company code data wise customer if you want to maintain. Okay,
Okay.
now next one, see purchasing area wise. Purchasing area by wise means what? This is related, materials management related actually. Requirement will be there. Means we will do, FI consultant will do up to where? FI consultant will do up to this topic. Means purchasing data will be taken care from the consultant, materials management consultant. We will not
Okay.
do any information. We will because this information will be taken care by our means materials management consultant only. Okay, so this kind of vendor means MK01 vendor will be created by
MM.
consultant If suppose they will say no payment transaction you guys will take care, so we will not be rigid. Okay, we will maintain vendor master data up to this much, up to contact details we will maintain, no issue. But you consultants have to maintain this information only. We are not supposed to do. Okay, we will maintain up to general data we will also maintain, but this one we will not maintain because this one they have to maintain. Okay, used only for
Okay.
only to create vendor master data. Okay, and centrally means what? Centrally means all these two things we will club, these two things we will combine, that will be called as centrally. Means see up to company code data, and now we will add only this purchasing data, this one will be called as centrally. Means centrally FI and consultant together need to work. Okay,
Okay.
company code data
Okay.
area wise vendor maintenance is a part of FI consultant, purchasing area wise vendor creation is a part of consultant. Okay, and centrally means both of them have to together work. Okay, means till company code area FI consultant will do, and purchasing area this one consultant will do. They need to work together for this. Okay,
Okay.
so now you guys have any doubt, please let me know.
Clear.
So now let me do this in the system. Means let me create vendor master data in the system. So please give heading,
Sure.
create vendor master in company code area. Please give heading, create vendor master in company code area. Okay, please write down the path, create vendor master in company code area. Please fast. Okay, path I'm telling, path is SAP menu, SAP menu. Okay, SAP menu, after that accounting, SAP menu accounting, financial accounting,
Yeah.
financial accounting. After that AP means accounts payable. After financial accounting AP,
Hmm.
after AP master records, after AP master records. After that FK01 create, FK01 create. Double click on FK01 create.
Yes.
Okay,
So this
now
vendor master means in
hmm,
live in production.
hmm,
Vendor master means the team will onboarding the suppliers. This is the job they do.
yes, means suppose if any vendor master business, suppose let's suppose in our case Dilip business is there, right?
Onboarding new suppliers, new vendors. That is
Ah,
the this is the only vendor
yes, yes,
master.
yes, yes. Onboarding the new suppliers, but this one business has to take care. Means if business has got any new vendor, so business people
Yeah.
will create. There will be master data team. So master data team will create the vendor master data. So they will take care only. And from the business side, this has to be done. Means business finance guy and business guy will create the vendor master data. IT consultant will not create. IT consultant will help them in creation if they will face any difficulty,
Okay.
because in quality system they will do the testing, right? In quality
Yeah. Yeah.
system they will do the testing, they will be aware about this process. But still in the
Yes.
production
Yes.
system if they have any issue, they will raise the incident
Hmm.
or they will contact IT consultants in any by any means, and they will get get it resolved. But this business users have to create master data, and they have to do the postings,
Okay.
yeah, in live
Okay.
environment, means in production. Okay,
Okay.
so now
Yeah.
create vendor master in company code area. So first one, see, please give company code. Our company code was
LI01.
li01, right? li01. So
Yes.
please write down company code li01, and account group means under which group we want to create the vendor. So we have defined 5 groups, right, according to
Yes.
our scenarios. But other groups can also be created. There is no mandatory which I am telling that only will be created. So there can be other groups also depending upon the requirement. So I have created 5 groups. Let's suppose I am taking LSVS, Dilip Services Vendors Group. Okay. So okay.
Yeah, bro, continue.
Yeah, please give heading company code LI01 and account group LSVS. Only these
Okay.
two things we will give here. Company code LI01, account group LSVS. Okay. And after that, click
Yeah.
on enter. Click on enter. Now same options which I have explained, same thing we need to fill here. So here
Hmm.
title, title company. Let's suppose my vendor is company. Company name is anything I can tell. Any name I can take like mm,
Title
mm,
is company.
yes. Suppose if we are dealing with any company, this can be also done.
Oh,
If suppose we are dealing with any person, so we can take that also, no
yeah.
issue. But a company can also be vendor, right? Let's suppose we are purchasing steel from the cell. We are purchasing steel from the Tata Steel. So company can also be if any person, then person also be. So title company, name any name of the vendor we will give. Naseem Private Limited. Let's suppose. Okay. In the search term NPL. This is not anything we can according to our requirement we can give search term also. Okay. I am just taking first name of the NPL. Okay. Here we will give the address. Let's suppose uh, house number 01 street, sorry, this one was a street, right? Street suppose 26, house number 01, postal code if I will take, let's suppose I am taking Gachibowli, but I don't know the postal code of Gachibowli. I am taking 47, city Hyderabad, country IN. Okay, so these details we will give. And for Hyderabad we have Telangana, right? तेलंगाना के लिए क्या
Yes.
है?
36.
36. Okay.
शायद
36.
मुझे-
Yes. 36. Yes. So here and PO box we will take anything like okay, and postal code is not required. See now it is up to this much. You guys please write down.
Yeah.
Okay,
Done.
enter.
Done.
So now this error is coming because this hash is selected. So I will remove that and again I will press enter. Okay. So now we need to this our customer is not as same as vendor. This topic I will explain later. Means suppose a customer can be vendor only. A single customer, correct? Suppose uh,
Sorry.
suppose Dilip business is there, okay, and Dilip
Mm-hmm.
business is purchasing steel from Tata Steel, okay, and
Yeah.
Tata Steel is also purchasing something from Dilip business.
Mm-hmm.
Means Tata Steel is vendor also and customer also for Dilip business, right?
Yeah.
So in that scenario, we need to in that scenario we will create vendor as customer also, and we will fill here the customer number. So for that case,
Mm-hmm.
this
Okay.
option is given. If we want, if our vendor is customer also, it can be right. But for now,
Yes.
for now it is not required. So we will hit enter. Okay. So now here, if we want to give bank details, we will give. If right now it is not required, so I am skipping this option. Enter. This is also not required, and hitting enter. So please write down hit 3 times enter and come to accounting information. Write down, click 3 times enter and come to this accounting information. Okay.
Yeah.
Now here in accounting information, Here we will give 150200, which is our recon account. Means why we are giving 150200 only? Because we have defined in this way only our recon account. Let me see. 1500 is for services, right? And we account
Yes.
group we have selected what? LSVS, right? Services account group. That's why we are selecting this
Services.
services wala recon account. We cannot take domestic, we cannot take import because we have selected the group. That's why we will select this particular services recon account. Okay, we will select this.
So basically,
Hmm.
this has to be selected based on the account group which we select.
Yes, yes. I mean, we cannot take we will not give account group domestic, and here we cannot give different account group like services. It should be same. Okay.
Yeah. Understood.
So now sort key, please give recon account 150200 and sort key is 012 and customer management group is A1. Okay. Okay. Sort key 012, cash management group A1. A1 means what? A1 means domestic payment. A1 means domestic payment. So now then click on enter. Payment data. In payment data, click enter. Now next window will come. Here payment terms. We need to give payment terms. What is the payment terms? L001 immediately. L001 credit memo terms L001. Okay. Enter. Dunning is not required because this is not customer. This is our vendor. So save. Okay. Enter and save. Click on yes to save. Click on yes to save. See, our vendor master is created. You can see the below message. Vendor
Yes.
062 000 8 times 0 was created in company code LS01. We have created our vendor in LS01, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now suppose if I want to display this vendor company code area wise, T code will be FK02. No, sorry, edit is FK02 and display is FK03, right?
303.
So let me show you
Yeah.
guys. Means display I'm not telling you guys to write down, but see you guys can understand. FK02 is change. Okay. Click on enter. See, you can edit. It is already created. Okay.
Hmm.
FK03 is display. So I'm not telling you, explaining you guys. Now let me proceed. Similarly, this block and this, similarly it is like GL account, GL master data. Okay.
Okay.
Means once you have done the posting, that vendor master cannot be deleted, but that can be blocked to the posting. How we can block? In FK05 we can block from the posting.
Okay.
But if we have not done any posting, so just we have created the we can delete that vendor. But once the vendor is getting balances is loaded to that vendor, that cannot be deleted, but that can be blocked from the posting in FK05.
Fine.
Okay, so now please give next heading. Go to FS00. We will create now GL account, services GL account will create. Okay, go to FS00. Okay, and give GL account. We are creating 4 lakhs, 4 lakh GL account. Okay, give company code LI01 and give GL account 4 lakhs. Okay, click on create button. Okay, click on create button. Account group, please select.
దీనికా
సర్వీసెస్కి ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎంట్రీ చేస్తే జిఎల్ ఇవ్వవా
వెండర్కి క్రెడిట్ డెబిట్
దానికి పోస్టింగ్స్కి?
Yes, for posting we need services GL, right? So for that purpose we
యా
are creating one services GL account. And the name of this, sorry, I did not tell. This is the, we are creating GL account, transportation account. You can write down, we are creating this transportation GL account.
ఓకే
Okay, because we need to do the posting. We will, from the consultant end, we will do the testing by posting the invoices and those things. Yes. So 4 lakh is the transportation GL account we are going to create. Okay. Account group
Yeah.
E400 raw material consumed. E400 raw material consumed is the account group, and functional area is LPUR, purchase functional area. And please select P&L statement. It is P&L. Okay. Short text and long text is transportation. Transportation account. Short text and long text is transportation account. Transportation account. Okay. Click on control data tab. Account currency. Give account currency INR. Give account currency INR. Is this recon account or not? If you guys can tell.
రికాన్ అకౌంట్.
No. Why recon account? Why recon account?
It should post in GL wise, no, again.
No, but this is simple services. See, our recon account is those trade payables. That is our recon account. See, this is the simple expense account. These services we are purchasing. This is
Okay.
not having any link with the customer. See, our
Okay.
recon account is this is the way they will, in interviewer will confuse. In that you guys will say the correct answer, they will say no, this is not correct. Like that they will confuse. So we need to be very much confident in the interview. Getting my point? So see,
Yeah,
I'm telling you guys the recon account, because I have also gone interview. I'm telling correct and they say no, this is not correct. So we need to be confident. No, sir, this is correct. This is the correct answer I'm telling. So like that they will confuse. See, 15000. See, this is trade payables account is the recon account, right? This
yeah.
is recon account.
Okay,
This is connected with vendor. That is simple expense account. This we are purchasing. Okay.
understood. Okay.
So see, so so this one. So this is simple GL account, simple expense account, and yeah, short key. Give short key 001. Short key 001. Click on create bank interest tab. Sorry, line item display also select. Select line item display, short key 001. Okay. Click on create bank interest tab. Field status group, expense field status group G004, expense field status group. And this is not post automatically GL. So we will save. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I want to create a similar expense account, how we can create? Suppose 4 series
With
expense account
template.
with template. Yes, 430100. I want to create from 4 series GLI01, which is our reference GL account, which we created 4 series, right? 4 lakh. So now what we need to change here, just only we need to change the this one as
Text.
no, this see account group is also different. See, this is 400,
Uh-huh.
that should be 430. 430 is admin, this we will change, and functional area also will change, right? L admin. Okay, and text also we will change. Security charges, security charges account. Oh, now we will save it. Now rest of the details, control data, create bank will be same only.
Hmm.
Now it is done. Okay, so now we have the one vendor master data. Naseem Private Limited, we have one vendor master. We have two services which we need to buy from the vendor. Okay,
Hmm.
suppose two services Dilip business has to take from the purchase from the Naseem vendor. So we have, and from the IT consultant side we are doing the testing. So we have created the vendor master. We have created the services which we need to test, we need to buy. So those details we have done, right? So now we will do the vendor master, vendor in post vendor invoice we will do, right? Logical everything.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, Sudhir, you are also understanding?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so please give next heading, post vendor invoice, post vendor invoice. Okay, post vendor invoice, T code is FB60, FB Facebook 60, FB60
Post vendor,
Invoice.
invoice, FB60.
non-pure.
This is non-PO, yes, services related. Account, T code is FB60, and then I will tell the path. Okay, I'm telling
Yeah.
the path. SAP menu,
Hmm.
accounting, financial accounting. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting.
Okay.
After that, AP.
Mm-hmm.
After that, document entry. AP. After that, document entry. After document entry, FB60 invoice. FB60 Facebook 60 invoice. Okay, double
Okay.
click on that.
Hmm.
See, one more thing I want to tell you guys. Whenever suppose if we are working under pressure, so sometimes minor things we forget. Suppose you see, I will come to this screen window, and what I will do, I will start giving my vendor number. Okay, correct.
Mm-hmm.
But if this
Mm-hmm.
screen is correct, you guys please see the this screen is for us, or you can see and tell me the screen.
It,
This screen is
the
correct.
company code is GA01.
Yes. So first, after coming any transaction, we need to first change the company code LI01. Okay, and now we will give our, so please you can write down, first activate our company code, give our company code,
Yeah.
first give our company code, and then give vendor, give vendor master. So I'm giving the vendor master, only one vendor master we have. Okay, give
Okay.
give company code, after that give vendor master data which we have created. Okay, give posting date, invoice date. Okay, now
Yeah.
suppose 1000 is the invoice amount, give invoice amount 1000.
Hmm.
Okay, now give text also you can give, like services purchase, services purchase.
Invoice number.
Okay, GL, we can give GL this one, amount 1000, and text also, services purchased, plus will work, right? Business area, L, Hyderabad,
It should.
and 1000. Profit center. Okay, enter. So you can see the error, why this error is coming.
You have to give
Reference name.
reference number.
Invoice number.
Okay, no, yes, reference number we need to give, correct. But where we have done this thing, where we have done this setting, where we have done this mandatory, please remember and tell me.
In one table.
No, not in table, please remember. This is part of configuration, this I am giving you hint. This is part of configuration,
Uh-huh.
but where, very easy only. You can see the error message, you can understand where it is mandatory. In error message only you can understand. See the error message and read the error message, you can understand where we are keeping it mandatory. In the error message it is
Field
Field.
written.
level.
Huh?
Field level. Field level.
No, document type level na. For document
Acha,
type,
acha.
in document type we have made this mandatory. In document type KR we have made this mandatory.
Huh.
I have told you guys. See, let me go to document type OBA7. OBA7. Okay. So what is our for vendor invoice? What is the document type? KR it is, right?
Yeah.
I will select the
Yes.
KR. This is document type, document type which SAP has given. These all are standard document types. I will select the KR. I will come inside. I had explained you guys or not? Tell me. This thing I
Yes,
have
yes.
explained you guys. See this one.
Yeah.
This one it is very important. It can be asked in the interview. They will ask where we are making this mandatory. So we need to tell in document type KR, since we are making this mandatory. See, if I will remove this one, right, then it will not ask. Let me show you. Let me do this configuration. And this is not our TR, right? So we will save in our
Yeah, yeah.
TR, which is Dilip's TR. So see, when we will work and then that time we are doing the configuration. So if your manager is assigning something, your senior is assigning, we need to ask, "Ki, please give me the TR. In which TR we need to? Should we create a new TR?" So if they will say yes, create new TR. What will be the naming convention? Means here I'm giving the naming convention this. Okay. So we need to ask what the naming convention we need to keep. So we need to ask. Otherwise later on they will start means they start arguing with us. Why you did not ask? Like that they will create hurdles for us. So first we need to take all information before doing the configuration. Okay. And this TR number is generated automatically, but naming convention we need to confirm from our senior or manager. Okay. So now this I have saved. Now again move on to the, now this error should not come, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now still it is coming. Why? Because we need to come back
Refresh.
again. Refresh. Yes. So slash n, I'm now coming from the slash n FB60. Okay. This is our vendor. Company code first we will check. Company code is correct.
Bro, this is header level, right? And
Yes. Above one is header level and this is line item level.
below the
Yes.
line item.
Yes. 1000 for this one I am giving now line item level GL account and amount. Okay. And line item level we are giving this one business area also and profit center also. Here enter. Now see error is not coming,
Hmm.
right?
Mandatory bit. Yeah.
Because there we have done the mandatory and in interview it can be asked and it is very simple. It is not Suppose someone they want to make this document header text as mandatory. We can make, but where we can make? In document type.
Document.
Okay.
Okay.
T code is
Understood.
OBA7. T code is OBA7, and this is the part of configuration. Now it is not asking for the TR because in the previous configuration it has already taken the command of the TR. So it is automatically has gone to our TR only. See, it is saved automatically in our TR only this time. It has not gone to anywhere else. Okay. So see, you can see the message data was saved in our TR only. It is saved. So now reference again. I need to come back because it will not take again, or I can give it. Yeah, I can means here mention no problem. AP dash 01. Okay. Now simulate
Wait.
and let me post it. Okay. So 19 series, why it is 19 series coming? Because number ranges we have defined like that only. That's why it is coming 19 series, right?
Right. Yes.
I want to display, go to document header. You can change display. So let me display it, this invoice document. See, we have posted in, did we post in reconciliation account? No, right? We
No.
posted in sub
No.
ledger account, and sub ledger account is what? Vendor master, right?
Understood.
Correct. But it has
Yeah.
balances has gone to vendor master also and main ledger also, right? Correct. So balances have
Yes.
gone to both. So now if I will show you guys, see, you have done the posting. Now balances should it should show the balance. So let me show you the balances. See, FBL1N is the T code for vendor master display.
Yes.
FBL1N, vendor line item display. And for the GL line item display, what is the T code?
FBL 3M.
ABL3N. Okay, this is vendor line item display. See, similar or not? This is similar with GL or not? If we will
Yes.
complete GL
Yes.
topic now, then these topics are not tough. 50-60% similar only. Now see, we today posted, right?
Yeah.
It is due for payment because immediately due. Today only it is posted. See the detail. Naseem Private Limited, street, city, everything has come, which we created. Okay. Now we need to. This is sub ledger. Our main ledger is GL account, right? So main ledger where it will be posted. We can see in FBL3N, right? We will go to
Yes.
FBL3N. And what was our main GL? 150 services related, right? Recon account. This one,
Yeah.
right?
Correct.
Select all items. Execute. See, balances have come, right? So this, that vendor master will not go to the balance sheet account. This trade payable services will go to the balance sheet account. Okay. And in this
Okay.
trade payable services we can create n number of multiple number of vendor master data, and combinedly one single GL account will go to the balance sheet. This is the concept of main ledger and sub ledger. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so means in this group we can create n number of multiple number of vendor master, and this one will go to the balance sheet. Vendor
Right.
master will, and vendor master balances are indirectly going, right? Those things are going
Yeah.
only through main ledger to the balance sheet. So now
So this is the
this
main.
one, yes. So this one is done. Post vendor invoice. Now please give next heading. Vendor invoice posting using double screen. Vendor invoice posting using double screen. Okay. So T code is F-43. T code is F-43. or if path is, you can write down same path, T code is f dash 43.
Yeah.
See,
Dash
same path,
43.
T code is f dash 43. You can see the screen also. Okay, this is double screen. The way we used to do f dash 02 for GL posting, same way we will do here, vendor invoice posting with double screen. You can see the screen the same way, but here we will select what, vendor master and services GL account, two things.
Yeah.
Okay, so now give here document date and posting date, reference AP. We can give any other reference also, no issue. I am giving AP02, and there is document header text also, right? So we have not made it mandatory in document type. That is why
Document.
we will not give any document header text. Then also the system will accept. Okay. Now 31 means posting key, 31 means
Vendor credit.
vendor credit, correct. And 21 means debit, right?
Yeah.
Right. So posting key 31, and we will give here our
Vendor code.
vendor code. Okay. So give here vendor code 620000, which is vendor account bracket. You can write down this is vendor account. Okay. Amount I am giving this time 80,000. Payment terms L00 it has taken. Text I am giving. You can see the screen, please. See, baseline date will help to calculate the due date, and this
Yeah.
baseline date is coming from this payment terms. Suppose I am changing here L030, 30 days. Okay. See. L030 is correct or not? L060, suppose if I will take payment terms change, check.
I think from today's date to L030 means अंतर due date తీసుకుంటారా period
Yes,
from today's date
But it
yes,
is taking 20.
yes.
because today we are entering now.
But 30 days it should go ahead, right? Baseline date. It should go 60 days. Baseline date it should show. Due date it should show. Like right. Okay, okay. From today's, yes, yes. Your Sudhir is correct.
Yeah.
From today's it will collect. It will consider the
From
another
today's date to 3
30 days.
days.
Yes, correct, correct, correct. So let me keep 30 only. Okay, keep 30 only. Baseline date from today it is correct. Sudhir, you are right. And now give me text vendor invoice posting. Okay, in next line item, next one will be our GL service, right? So for GL posting key debit is what?
21.
No, 21 is vendor debit. 21 is vendor debit, right?
Next is 40.
40.
40.
GL debit is 40. GL credit is
Huh.
GL credit
50.
is huh? 50. Yes, 50. 430. GL credit is 50. GL debit is 40. So our GL will be debit, right? In this case, that's why I'm giving posting key manually 40 and GL account 430100. Okay. Now please give posting key 40, GL account 430100, which is security charges. This GL account is security charges. In bracket, please write down security charges. Click on enter. In amount we can give star, and in text we can give plus, but we need business area and profit center also. So click on MEHR, this Meher, click on MEHR Meher option. First in amount field give star, in text field give plus, okay,
Yeah.
and in MEHR Meher, in Meher option click on that, and after clicking that you can see the new window. Here we need to give business area and profit center. Click continue, document simulate. Now post it, simulate and save, simulate and post. Now this time I am not showing you guys the effect. It balance is loaded to vendor master and main reconciliation account, right? So vendor
Yeah.
master FBL1N and GL account FBL3N, it has gone updated. Even similarly it has updated to the financial statements also, means balance sheet parallelly it is updating everywhere, and profit and loss that expense GL. So effect is going reflecting everywhere, okay. So I am every time not telling, but you guys can cross check, okay. Effect is going
Okay.
everywhere, okay. So now we have done this one. Now please write down third one. We will do the third posting from double skin FB60 slash and FB60, same vendor. Now I will give AP03, AP, yeah, give vendor master, invoice date, posting date, reference please give AP03, okay. In amount, in header amount, give 1 lakh, in header amount give 1 lakh, okay. See, click on the payment terms, okay, and here I am changing the payment terms as, suppose here we will see that one L030.
Hmm.
See, Sudhir was right. Baseline date means from today it will consider. Now it has gone to another 30 days, right? If I will select 60, due on February, right? Similarly 90 days and
Okay.
other things. So baseline date means considering the posting date, today's posting date. So now I am giving here option LDS1. This one you guys remember, this option means it will be due on after 30 days, but after 10 days it will, we will give how much percent discount? 2%.
2%.
If within 20 days they will vendor, if we will make payment to the vendor, we will get 1% discount, and if 30 days we will take, then there will not be any discount. Total amount we need to pay, correct? So please write down, click
Correct.
on the payment tab, click on the payment tab and give payment terms LDS1, give payment terms LDS1, and you can write down this, these details will come automatically.
Hmm.
10 days, 20 days, 30 days, this option will come, okay. After that, again go back to basic data tab, go back to basic data tab. Now GL account, give GL account 4 45000 and 40000. Give two GL accounts 45000 and 4000. 60,000, 40,000. In amount give 60,000 and 40,000. In 4 lakh 50,000 GL account give amount 60,000. In 4 lakh GL account give amount 40,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Now actually here we are giving different profit center. We want to see the splitting also here. Business area give LHYD. LHYD and profit center give different means 1,000 and 1,100. Okay. In above line item give 1,000. In below line item give profit center 1,100.
Okay.
Enter. Okay. See this GL account does not exist means we have not created this GL account. No problem. I will take this 430,100. Okay. Okay, now simulate and save. Simulate. So here which splitting will work?
Active splitting.
Active splitting, correct. See, this is entry view. I will post. If you want to, okay, let me post it. Now let me display this posted document. Entry view, general ledger view. Please see the screen. I will filter with profit center.
Hmm.
I will select this from the profit center header and I will come to here subtotal. Why subtotal is not working? Subtotal actually its subtotal is I don't know why it is not working. So see, it is splitted, right? 60,000, 40,000.
Yes.
It is splitted.
Huh.
Okay. So now we have posted the invoices, right?
Correct.
Now suppose our suppose we are testing from the consultant side. We are testing. We have done the post invoice posting, vendor invoice posting. Now there can be some return also. We want to return to the vendor something. Any goods, suppose any goods which vendor has sent, there is damage in the goods,
Hmm.
or they have, any reason that there can be. Okay, because of any reason we want to return the goods to the goods and services to the vendor. So that in that case, uh, credit memo, vendor credit memo, we need to post in the system. If any return is happening, business is returning anything to the vendor. Okay. So in that case, vendor credit memo should be posted. Please give next heading. Vendor credit memo using double screen. Vendor credit memo using double screen. Let me open the screen. See, vendor credit memo using double screen F-41. Same path. It is same path. T code is F-41. You can see the screen.
Okay.
Okay. Now double click on F-41. F-41. Now see this option means we will do the return from our invoice only, right? The invoice which we have posted. So we have posted 3 invoice, right? Means
Hmm.
so we will do the return. Suppose this is the vendor. Let me refresh it. So let's suppose we want to return from our this AP first invoice, which is our first invoice this 1,000. Let
Thousand. Hmm.
yes. Suppose here reference number is not coming. So from change the order we can get right reference number. So get reference
Yeah.
number. Reference. REF. See reference. Okay. I will select this. I will bring it to the left side. It has come to left side. I will select this reference. Okay, copy. Now see, AP01, we can see our first invoice, AP02 is our second invoice, and AP03 is our third invoice. ठीक है? So
Right.
if suppose we want to return from our first invoice, AP01 we want to return to the, suppose 300 we want to return to the vendor. Okay, so any invoice only we will return to the vendor. So we want to return from the first invoice 300 rupees we want to return. Okay, F-41 is the T code. Today only we want to return. Okay, here also we are giving the same reference, AP01. Here vendor will be debited, right?
Yes.
Vendor will be debited. At the time of invoice, liability was getting increased. Here liability will be decreased. Liability decreased means vendor will be debited. So vendor is getting debited, and posting key, see here posting key is 21. That's why account we are giving vendor account. Please write down these details: posting dates, document date. Okay, and you can see document type is KG. KG means vendor credit memo. It is not KR. It is KG. Okay, and now in the first line item posting key 21 and vendor account, this is account means vendor account is 62, means whatever we have created, 620000, which is our vendor account. Okay, then click on enter. 300 rupees we want to return. Due to some reason 300 we are returning. These details will give. And what was the GL we need to know? What was the GL? Okay, so we will come to that. We will drill down to this. And what was the GL? We will open this document. So GL was transportation, 4 lakh, right? 4 lakh. So I will come here. So here what I will do, and this 4 lakh will be uh, debited or credited, right?
Credited 50.
Okay, yeah.
4 lakh.
Okay, so now facing, are you guys feeling any tough? It is tough.
No, no.
No.
Okay, so now please click on enter, and in the next screen give amount star, give amount star. Okay,
Text plus.
text actually I have not given. Yes, text in plus we need to give rest, right? But I have not given, that's why it's not coming. Okay, and in MEH, see I have not given, that's why message is coming. In Meher
Mhm.
MEHR, we need to give the business area and profit center. Okay, so please write down. Click on MEHR Meher, and here we need to give the business area and
Actually,
profit.
that is more, right, bro? More, right?
Kind of more, yes, that is more only. But here name they have changed the name. This is more
Yeah.
only, yes, but they have changed the name. Okay, so please click on more, or in slash you can write on MEHR and give business area and profit center, and simulate. You can see in the simulation our vendor is debited and GL is credited. Simulate and post. Now see, 17 series now it is coming. It is not coming 19 series because it is credit memo, and the same way we have done the configuration. Now let us come to this report, and in this report just we need to refresh it. Click on the list header, click on refresh. See, 300 has come as positive.
300.
Okay, okay. So now this credit memo is
Yeah.
also done. Now we will do, please give next heading. credit memo, post credit memo using single screen. Post credit memo using single screen. Post credit memo using single screen. Okay. T code is FB65. T code is FB Facebook FB65. Okay. So now double click on that same path. It is path is same. Double click on that. Now we are returning from the third invoice. Okay. This invoice we are returning. Let me show you the first report. Like which invoice I am going to return. So in FBL1 and I will
Bro, I
go.
have one question.
Huh?
In FB60 only we can change to credit memo, right? In upper option, invoice and credit memo.
No, that is what we should showing. No?
But here it is FB65, right?
Okay. Let me check. Let me check.
60
Yes. You are correct.
only. What 60?
Let me check. No problem. G credit memo. Yes. Yes. We can do.
Okay.
We can do this one. But there is separate transaction. So I'm explaining in by going to separate transaction. So let me try
Okay.
this one only. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So now
Okay.
let me first see the this one uh, report. Like this third one actually we want to return now. Okay, this one last one AP03 actually reference if I will get third one we want to do. Now let me open this GL accounts. What are the GLs? Two GLs actually were used. This security charges and transportation. Okay, and this one was the vendor. So now credit memo. Let me try this one. 62. Enter. Invoice at today's date I will take. Reference is mandatory. AP03 only I will take. It is credit memo. Now how much I want to return, so that actually we need to first decide. So let's suppose 2500 I want to return. Okay,
Okay.
2500. And there was active splitting, that two profit center were used right in that document, right?
Correct.
So I'm returning this one 45 and 43100, right? So this one, let's suppose 1000 and this one 1500.
Okay.
Okay, now business area LHYD. Now I need to be sure in 45 45 series what was the profit center, and 43 series what was the profit center we had assigned.
Yeah.
So that we need to give same. So in 4 3 43 43 1000 and 4 series 1100. 45 was not there.
Okay. 100.
Yes, this one 100, right? 430 100. Okay, so in 43 100 and 4 series 1100. My system is 1100 and this one 1000. Okay, enter. Now this is credit memo. So we need to be first simulation, we need to do simulation, we will understand. See, working.
Hmm.
Or separate T code also we can go FB65, and here also it is working. Automatically it has taken, right? We did not give any
Yeah.
manually posting key, but it has taken. Okay, now post, we'll do the posting and see the 17 series. It is credit memo only, 17 series has come. And now we will go to this report. This report we will go and we will do the refresh. That is, effect should come here. Oh, this one actually system is. I will refresh it. 2500 has come with positive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
you can see that in the total payable, this 2800 is deducted. Total
Yes.
was 1,81,000. Out of 1,81,000, 2,800 is deducted. Now we need to pay to the vendor how much? 178,200. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
Now we will do the um, vendor outgoing payment, right? So we have done the invoices posting is done. Any return was there, we have also done the return also. Now next step will be the we need to make the payment to the vendor. So please give
Okay.
next heading vendor outgoing payment. Vendor outgoing payment. T code is F-53. Vendor outgoing payment. T code is F-53. I will tell the path also. T code is vendor outgoing payment. T code is F-53.
3.
Okay. So now write down the path. Write down the path. SAP menu, accounting.
Hmm.
Okay. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting. AP.
Hmm.
After AP, document entry. After AP, document entry. Okay.
Okay.
After document entry, outgoing payment. Outgoing payment.
Yeah.
Okay. After outgoing payment, F-53 post. F-53 post.
Hmm.
Okay. So now see, I have come to the payment option. Okay. This is the post outgoing payment to the vendor. Okay. And we used to do the GL outgoing payment. You remember F-07. We used to do the posting of GL outgoing payment. Open item we used to clear. Same way it is. We are now here paying to the
Yeah.
same way here we are paying to the vendor. So okay. So GL, please complete GL. Then these things will be you will feel like similar kind of. Okay. So now
Okay.
here see, by default, document type has come as KZ, right? It is not KR, it is not KG, it is
Yeah.
KZ. KZ, right?
Yes.
Document date, we will give what? Today's date, let's
Today's
suppose.
date.
Yes. Reference, suppose we want to make payment for which document. So we have our reports with us. So if we want to make payment for entire at a time, we can do that. If we want to make payment for a single, then also we can do that. Means if you want to make payment only for this document 19 series 2, then also you can make payment. Let me make payment for entire complete. Okay.
Okay.
So let's suppose I
So
am
you
giving
take all documents.
I will take all, yes, at a time. I will clear this vendor. Okay. So now vendor payment, here I will give bank data. Suppose now we have not configured, we have our cash GL account. So
Hmm.
suppose I don't know the suppose that report is not opened with us. I don't know the amount. So here we can for the meanwhile we can give one. Okay. Either we can
Yeah.
go to the report. We can type manually 178 200. Let's suppose, but we
Hmm.
don't know the amount. You give manually one. Okay. And what is the open account? The vendor, right? 62,
Vendor.
right?
6. Yes.
Account
Yes.
type K. K means vendor. And for GL, what is the
Yeah.
account type?
For GL.
Yes.
R.
No. No. Shravanti,
For
can you
customer, it is D.
customer did D for but for GL please tell.
Yeah.
No. For
No.
asset
Asset
A.
A.
Asset A. For GL it is S.
Yes. Okay.
See, I'm doing F4. For GL it is S, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So now after that click on process. Please write down these details. Give document date, posting date, reference, document type KZ, company code, currency, okay, and in the bank
Yeah.
data, these all details please write down because these details you try to remember. In bank data, please give, or in amount you can give one. I will tell you. Please write down the bank data account. This is cash GL account, okay, because we have only
Yeah.
cash account, we don't have bank account right now, otherwise it should be paid with bank outgoing account, but that we have not come
Hmm.
to that topic, but I will explain that later. From cash GL account we are making payment, account amount, okay, and in the open item give vendor account type K should be selected, okay, and after that click on process open item. Okay, can I proceed?
Okay. Yeah.
Click on process open item. Now see, we have the list of all open items, right?
Yeah.
Now select all, okay. Now see, amount entered should be 176 200, because how much amount we entered? We entered only one, right?
One.
That's what is coming
Yeah.
one.
Hmm.
So now see, please see the screen. First, after coming to this window, we have activated all these payment account. If suppose you guys want to make payment only to the 1 lakh related, so we will activate only what? 1 lakh, right? And this 1 lakh was
Yeah.
related with, there was one return also 2500, right?
Hmm.
Correct.
Okay, so we will activate these two only, and we will in amount entered we will go to overview and we will change the amount. But here I want to make payment for all invoices and credit memo we want to consider. So we will activate all. So we will go to this. After activating this, please see the screen. We will go to this document overview. Okay.
But what here cash discount means 2000.
Because cash discount we have selected. Let me show no column.
Payment terms.
Yeah, payment terms we have
Acha
selected, right?
2%.
Below 10 days, if I will make payment to the vendor, we will get
Hmm.
2% discount.
Yeah.
Below 20 days, if I will get, we will get 1% discount. And if 30 days will be there, then they will be due net. Total amount we need to pay as because of payment terms.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in this, see, uh, this is the payment. This see the payment terms LDS1, and
Yeah.
see below 10 days 2% discount. If between 10 and 20 days 1% discount. If beyond 20 days, due net. So it is
Okay.
on 23rd only we are making payment, right? That's why we are getting
Yeah.
2% discount from the vendor. Okay, so we'll click on overview. Okay, see, this one is very important. See, no, we'll click on the document overview. Okay, after that we need to click on this line item. We are making payment. This is clearing cash GL or bank outgoing GL. Okay, we are making clearing with this, right? So after clicking on document overview, we need to double click on this cash GL. Okay, just we need to delete this and we need to give star. Okay,
Okay.
and click on enter. Clicked on the enter. Document simulate. See, it has taken
Yeah.
and post. Why it was coming in two different GLs? Means discount was different, 1200 and 800. Why it is coming different? See, answer you can see in the
Yes.
screen only. Answer is in the screen only, which I'm asking.
Two different profit
Profit
centers.
center, yes, correct.
Hmm.
but total is 2000. Total is 2000 only.
Yeah.
Correct.
But it is
Correct.
splitted because of different profit center.
Based on the amount.
Okay. So now our payment is also done. We have done the payment also. And here which splitting worked? Here passive splitting worked at the time of payment.
Okay.
Okay. So now let me proceed with vendor. Please give next heading. Display vendor balances. Please give next heading. Display vendor balances. Okay. Display vendor balances. T code is FK10N. 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 So please write down the path. SAP menu accounting, financial accounting. Write down the path. SAP menu accounting, financial accounting, AP document, display balances. AP document.
Bro, after document,
Yeah. After SAP menu accounting, financial accounting, AP document, display balances. But that option why I'm not getting this option. That's what I'm trying to open. Just a minute, please wait 1 minute. Let me. Huh. See, this is the path. After AP, please delete means cut document. After AP, it is account. After AP, it is account, and after account it is display uh, balances. After account it is display balances. T code is FK10N. Okay, T code is FK10N. Display balances. Double click on that. This is very
take
easy.
out F.
FK10N. F uh, F for finance. K for Kolkata.
Hmm.
10N.
Okay.
FK10N. Display vendor balances. Here we need to give vendor master, company code and fiscal year. Execute. Parameters 3. This is very easy. You will see the vendor. You will see the. You can see. You remember FBL. FBL. What was that report? Uh,
KGLB 0.
FAGLB03. Same kind of this one. See.
LL03.
No, no. LL03 is line item. B03 is balances. Month period wise.
Balance.
Month wise. I can show you that also. FAGL FBL3N and FAGL L03 is same only. FAGL L03 is new T code. FBL3N is old. But both can work. But we need to use FAGL L03 line item, L03 line item, and B03 is balances.
Balance.
Month wise, period wise balances you can see. Same this one is FK10N. Okay. Now please give next
Hmm.
heading. Display or change vendor line item. Display change vendor line item. T code is FBL1N. T code is FBL1N. Okay.
Yeah.
Double click on that. Double click on that. And now we need to give vendor account 62 00000 And if you want to see open item, means if we have not done the payment, then open item. But if you will select all items, you will please
Yes,
give vendor
open and
account.
cleared as well.
Yes, means all item it will show open item also, and if any, if
Yeah.
or clear, both the items it will show in all items. So
Hmm.
select all items and execute. So we don't have any open item because we have made the payment for all. So this is line item display. Similarly, like FBL3 and FAGL L03. Same, this is the report. And this is drill down. We will double click on the document number. We can see the document journal entry also. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now please give next heading. Vendor correspondence. Give next heading. Vendor correspondence. Okay. Request. Please write down vendor correspondence, comma, request FB12. FB12. 12. FB12. And in bracket you can write down if you want to take printout. If you want to take printout in bracket. AP accounting correspondence. Yes. Yeah. Please write down the path. Up to account same path as previous. Up to account same path as previous. Up to account same path. Okay. Then correspondence. Up to account same path. Then correspondence. And then FB12. FB12 request. Up to account same path. After that correspondence. After that FB12 request. Okay. FB12 request, double click on that. This is why we want to, if we want to get the printout, that is the reason this transaction we will execute. We want to take the printout of the list of the vendor. I will show you in the system. Open item list we want to see. Okay.
Okay.
But see, I have cleared all the items. For we need first we need to have the some open item also. So let me post one open item. For the same GL, let me post one open item. Invoice, let me post. I should not have posted all. I have posted all. Let me quickly post one.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
$20,000. This one 430100 star. Now we have two open items. Okay. So now let's come back to our vendor correspondence request.
Correspondence request.
Complete one.
FB12. Yes. So please write down after clicking on that correspondence request. Give company code LI01. Okay. And click on enter. Give company code. Click enter. then we will get new pop-up window, new small window we will get. So in this window, we need to select SAP08. Select SAP08 means open item list. We
Open
will
item.
open item list. Yes, select that. Okay. Here we need to give our vendor master, which is 62 series, right? 62. Okay. And OI open
Yeah.
item key date means on which date we want to see. Let's suppose I want to see on today's date. Okay. Open item key date. We will click on continue. Open item requested. Okay. Open item list was requested. Now what we will do now, first step is done. Come back. Now go to f.64. Please write down. Maintain give heading. Maintain correspondence request. Maintain correspondence request f.64. f.64. Maintain correspondence request f.64. T code is f.64. Double click on that. Okay. Okay. Now see, after coming to this transaction, give here company code. Okay, only give company code. Write down, give company code li01 and execute. Give company code li01 and click on execute. You can see the this option. Can you see SAP08, this one OI date? Double click on SAP08. Now see, these two open item only we have, which I posted 10,000, 20,000. Right now
Hmm.
this one only we are getting. I had kept this reference as test and test 2, not AP. You remember, for earlier we I am giving AP 01, 02, 03,
0102.
but this is our test which I posted. So total open item is 30,000. This is the vendor, so this we can get the printout.
Only for open item is it is SAP is right.
Yes.
For
I
all
uh
for other items.
other item
Maybe
also
for that.
we can other item I need to see, but open item actually, if you want to, this is only for the printing purpose. You want to take the
Hmm.
printout, see print preview of the LP01. This is only for the printing purpose. For other items, if we have the list, let me see the option. But this one is open item is very important. That's why I'm telling. But let me, in the list we have these many options. See, SAP08 is open item, customer credit memo, failed payment. These only are the options we can get. Account statement is SAP06 is the account statement. Okay. So if I want to see the account statement, so uh, we need to do the same way. First we need to come here. Okay, so same way account statement for SAP06. Just a minute. Same way we will do the SAP06. Okay, vendor, posting date, continue, account statement requested. Now we need to go to f.64. We need to give only, first we need to request, then we need to maintain FB12 and then f.64. Now see, FB06 has come. Now account statement we are getting. This one we will get the statement, complete statement. Means final balance 30,000 has to be paid. Okay, this is the this means option. If you will ask, means then see, this is the option we have here. Account statement, open item, and this list we have. Only we can take a standard. Only this is the list. This is the option given. And out of this, these two are very important, right? Account statement and open item list is very important. We can see the failed payment also. We can see the customer credit
Yeah.
memo also. So this is the list. This is the only we can see the and we can get for the printing purpose. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now please give next heading. Payable profit center wise. Payable profit center wise. Payable please fast. Payable profit center wise and T code is. Let me open the path also. SAP menu accounting financial accounting. GL information system. Yeah. Payable profit center wise.
Yeah.
Okay. T code is S underscore AL0. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me open. T code is there and path. Let me open. General ledger information system. Please see the screen. Information system. GL reports new line items. Open item. See payable profit center wise. See this one. Yeah. Please write down the path. T code please write down S underscore AC0.
This is zero. Right?
AC0. In the screen also you can see S underscore AC0. A America. C for Canada.
Yeah. Yeah.
AC0. Numeric 0. Underscore 5 to 3 times 0 3 times 8. 5 to 3 times 0 3 times 8. You can see the screen also. Now please write down the path.
Oh,
SAP menu accounting financial accounting. SAP menu accounting financial accounting. Okay. Financial
yeah.
accounting GL.
Hmm.
After that
Hmm.
information system. GL information system. Okay. GL
Yeah.
information system. After that GL reports new. GL reports new. After that line items. GL reports new. After that line item. Line item. After that open item. Open items. And after that profits payable profit center
Profit.
T code. Payable profit center S underscore AC0. This one T code. Okay. Double click on that. Okay. Here we need to give our vendor master 62 series and company code LI01. Okay. LI01.
Yeah.
LI01. Select all item. You want to see the open item. We can select clear item. We can select all item. We will select to see the all the
Hmm.
open and cleared. Click on execute. Give vendor account company code. Select all item. Click on execute. But I
Yeah,
forgot
yeah,
to
yeah.
I forgot to tell you guys one thing. See, come below. There are three options: graphical report output, classical drill down report, object list. Please come down and select graphical report output radio button. Select graphical report output radio button and execute. No record. Why no record?
No, no, control area, it was related to Gulshan.
Okay. Yes, yes. This one actually CO area, right? Okay.
LCUA. Ah.
Okay, LCO, right? Company code is correct only. Dilip only, right? Correct. You guys are understanding, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
It's good. Okay, so this one, see, first option is our graphical report, graphical drill down report. Now see, this one is local currency, second one is fiscal year. Okay, this one is line item wise. Just we need to click on every option. We will get the details. Means you guys need to just explore this one. Okay, see,
Okay.
profit center wise we will getting this balances. Vendor wise we are getting the balances. Company code wise we will get the, suppose if we would have done posting in li02, we would have get that option also, our
Express.
li02. Yes, because see, profit center, in true profit center we did the posting,
Mm-hmm.
so that's why we are getting two, but in one it is already paid, that is why it is showing 0. Okay, document number, how many document numbers, these many document numbers are involved, right? So we are getting these many options. Okay, you will
Yeah.
click on that document number. So this is just, we need to explore this one. Now second option, this is graphical report output. Now I will select this radio button, classical drill down report, and I will execute this one. Now it has come like this. Okay, same line item, GL, profit center, same, but the output has come in a different way.
Pattern. Yeah, change.
Okay, yeah. So what we need to select in the line item, we just keep on clicking, it will take us to the next option. See,
Mm-hmm.
means here in the below navigation it is not working, it is working here below.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay, like that we need to explore. Okay, so, and third option is similarly, third option you guys can explore this one. No, this one. So now payable segment wise, please give head, just give heading is same way, payable segment wise. Give heading payable segment wise. T code is s underscore pc0 underscore payable segment wise.
Okay. Okay.
Payable segment wise. T code is, just a minute, payable segment, please see the screen. सोनू क्लास में थोड़ा देर में करते हैं, ठीक? ठीक। Payable segment wise. T code is s underscore pco. It is not pc0, pco underscore 36 3 times 0 219, 36 3 times 0 219. Okay,
Okay.
so now this also you guys can explore. There's nothing. No. This one
Okay.
graphical
That's
classical object, same kind of 62 li01 all items execute payable segment wise. Now what mistake I have done here? All items, company code li01, something I have done wrong. Vendor correct only, right?
1, 2, 3, 4. Windows 7 series.
Let me take from the means option.
Eight. Okay.
Seven,
9.
seven. Total nine.
9.
It is working. Huh? See, it is working.
Hmm.
Same way.
Drill down.
Okay, drill down.
What is the difference between the profit center drill down and the segment?
This is
Profit center
segment.
wise and segment wise.
Yeah, this is
When they
there. Yes, here we are getting segment wise.
transactions.
Yes, and there we are getting profit center option also. Profit center wise. Here we are getting a segment wise. You can see, not profit center wise. The details.
Cement,
Yeah,
clothes, etc.
segment is the line of business, right? And there we were getting profit center wise. All these details profit center wise. Okay.
Okay.
So now at last we have two options to cover, two topic to cover. Please give next heading: vendor outgoing payment with bank charges. And bank charges configuration we have already done in the system. T code is
Vendor.
vendor outgoing payment with bank charges. T code is same F-53. T code is same F-53. Okay.
Oh, here in bank charges tab, we have to give the bank amount
Yes.
charges.
Yes. In bank charges we need to give amount. Yes. So first we need to see how much is the our this one. How much? First we need to see our open item also, right? So let me open the open item. Means vendor line item display. Let me go to vendor line item display. All items. Execute these two. Okay. So 10,000 and this one
20,000.
20,000. Okay. So bank charges including this one. Okay. So 10,000 I am making payment 10,000 with bank charges. Okay. So let's set today's date. Okay. Reference I am giving test. Account, give account. We are paying with cash account only. So 2,40,000. Amount is what? Amount is
10,000.
10,000 and we will include bank charges also. And here we will give bank charges 300. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on, please give this, please write down this one. Account, amount including bank charges. Amount including bank charges and bank charges in bank charges field 300. Open item selection vendor account. Or in open item selection vendor account. Okay. Click on process open
Yeah.
item. You can see the error. How we can resolve this error? Tell me. Hmm?
Only posted in. So we have to tick mark mandatory.
No.
It actually this error is coming in this GL. Click on process. Sorry. account can only be posted to internally in company code LS01. So the issue with this GL account, and this GL account is bank charges account. Okay, so let us first,
Hmm.
we need to explore this GL account. So what is the issue in that? And you are telling we need to make it mandatory. Okay, so we will go to that FS00 to that GL 4 440070 44 My system
440070.
is not working.
Internet connection.
My server issue 440070.
07.
Enter and see, it is posted automatically, means manually it cannot be posted. We have checked this post automatically, that is why system is giving error. It should be posted automatically, means the same way zero balance clearing account is posted, the same way foreign currency valuation account is posted, same way this should be posted automatically. But here what we, here it is, no, but that is correct only, right? It should be done automatically only, right?
Yes.
Okay, but we have given 300 amount, that is why we need to remove this one, because in the bank charges amount we have given the 300, so we need to remove this one. Okay, and now enter. So which option we want to select?
Yes,
We are paying to this 10,000. Simulate.
yes.
Yeah, simulate general ledger view. Now see, it has gone to bank charges. Okay,
Hmm.
how much we are
Hmm.
paying bank charges? 300, and to
300.
the vendor we are paying 10,000 only, but 300 we are paying bank charges. Okay, so again simulate and post. Now I will go to report. I will go to this report. I will refresh it. Done. Okay,
10,000 credit. Yeah.
10,000 has come, and now we will make the payment with payment difference. Okay, there will be some payment. Please give next heading. Post outgoing payment with payment difference.
No, no, here, before moving to that,
Huh?
Yampe, if we want to post with the selection post automatically, Wampe bank charges value should we keep nil or
No,
how
no,
it
yes, yes,
works?
okay, okay, correct. See, because bank charges field is there. Okay, so we have given the amount manually, right? So that is why
Correct.
internally it will not work. We need to remove
Mm-hmm.
that checkbox. Means we, when we are creating the bank charges GL account, we should not give the, we should not tick that checkbox, because it is we are giving manually here the amount of the bank charges. This is the reason.
Okay.
Yeah. So we need not to keep that option. Okay. Because zero balance if we are giving, so manually we are
No
not.
post option.
Hmm?
So post automatic option we should keep. I mean, we should not select.
Yes, because this field is given here. That is why this
Ah,
bank charges field is given. But in case of foreign currency valuation, in case of our zero balance clearing, so those GLs triggered
mm,
automatically. So those field even for amount is also not given. So those things are
mm,
triggered automatically, right? That is why
right.
here this, since this field is there, that is why we need not to give this. We need not to check that option.
Okay.
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 Now please give next heading, post outgoing payment with payment difference. Post outgoing payment with payment difference. Okay. Okay. So we have one more
Yeah.
open item with us for 20,000. So I will pay that. But here payment difference will be should be triggered. Test 2 in reference I have given 2,40,000. Amount I know 20,000, or I can give one also here. So I know, so I am giving here 20,000. Okay. Account. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, so see here. Here amount is how much? See, 20,000. Okay.
Hmm.
And what is the payment difference allowed? 10. So I will keep 19,990.
Okay.
Okay. 19,990. Enter. Okay. I need to activate it.
10 differences.
10 difference. System should accept.
Hmm.
Accepting. But you guys should
Yes.
ask me. Let me cross the limit. Let me make it 20. And system should restrict also. Kind of negative post testing, right? 19,000. Let me 19,050 make it do it. And at a time I can do payment difference and bank charges also at a time. But I need to add amount in this bank charges amount in
Charges.
this we need to add, and we need to mention here bank charges. Single time we can
Okay.
make the payment difference and bank charges also, but first you guys practice separately, then you can combine later. Okay. Now this one activate, and now system should not accept. Correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
Right? Both positive
Yes.
negative testing working fine. Why it is not working? Because we have allowed only
Only
10.
10 we have. Yeah.
That is why the system is behaving in a correct manner only as per the expectation. So now either we can take 10 or we can take below 10. Let me take it now 5, 95. Okay.
It will allow.
It is to below 10 it should allow.
Yeah.
Now simulate it, allowing
Hmm.
payment difference, post it. Posted successfully. Come to report and check the report. It is updated in the report also now.
More
It is
items.
updated. See, cleared with this one. You want to see overview? See payment difference 5. General ledger view. Okay. It is updated to our
Okay.
main ledger, main ledger account, reconciliation account. Okay. So now it is done. Payment difference, you guys, remember where I'm telling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, bro. Tolerance.
Yes. LI01, company code LI01.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
10.
Hmm.
Expense.
Payment difference allowed 10. Okay. So now we have done our vendor posting reports, vendor master, vendor
Payments.
posting, payment, and reports also we have covered. And tomorrow we will study vendor special GL transactions. Means down payment request, means vendor has requested any down payment advances. You please give some advance. You're right. When we go to the
Okay.
market,
Okay.
sometimes we place any order to anything. Suppose we are purchasing furniture, so they say please give some
Hmm.
advances, 50% or whatever. So same way in SAP also, we need to do some configuration for that, and then we will do the testing and we'll make the system ready and we'll do the testing. Vendor means advances and down payment they will request, that is called a down payment request for advance. We will pay to the vendor advance and we will keep some money as a retention money until services from the vendor will be completed. Then we will pay the remaining money, which is called as retention money. Okay. So this is the
Okay.
only the vendor special GL topic, which is our day to day. In the market, these things happen. Same thing we will study in the SAP.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow, same
Mm,
time,
yeah.
we will connect.
Yes, bro.
Okay. So tomorrow, this special GL only I will complete. Next, on next tomorrow, let us complete this one. Then tomorrow we will discuss when we will connect. Okay.
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 Thank you.
The recording I will share by the evening, and this
Yeah, please.
Okay.
my sheet also, Excel sheet.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye.